Bro, kami kai ke balat ke badai jongka government LP school ke bahapa po ka Ribhoi district kanongpo subdivision of Ribhoi district of Meghalaya as per term and condition ki total vacancy bro kidan arf new tali UR south tali khasi jancha garo arf ar tali namta ki order STSC tangkawai kan mau ki balap na apply ki deban dep ya ka class 12 pass with 50% for general candidate and 45% for STSC candidate with DLED or graduate with B.Ed and MTED pass certificate compulsory, DLED pass certificate compulsory. Kan mau kita ki balap apply, kita tip hi ki badai ki noi kai, kita tip hi ba kita apply. Khamta me ka MTED is compulsory ba ki deban clear ba ya ka MTED kita apply. Nakamta ki bakwa apply, submit the application jong phi hapok office jong SDSEO nongpo but kelas date kandai live 3 Agos arjar arpulai. Thank you jom tip kulisbun.